All right, y'all, what is up? Welcome back. Episode 3 with my girl, Candy. Thanks for coming in. Now, Candy, what's the difference between walking the streets here at night and walking the streets in London? Lay that out for us. What does it look like?
Safety. I don't walk the streets in London at night. I make sure I'm home by 9:10.
You got to be in that before dark.
Yeah, because it is dangerous for a female in London. I guess it's dangerous for anyone in London nowadays with the stabbings and the robberies and the rape. The crime rate is getting really, really high in London, so it's not the safest place to be at night. Vietnam.
Have you been out at night? What's the take? How do you feel?
In Vietnam?
Yeah.
Nothing. It's safe. I've seen children at night walking the streets. Everyone's just welcoming. Even if you're lost, they'll direct you. I haven't felt intimidated at all. I haven't felt nervous, scared.
You haven't been threatened or made to feel uncomfortable in any kind of way?
Not at all.
And you were out late the other night. You told me you were out late in the neighborhood walking around in the hotel.
Yeah, I was trying to get something to eat. I was hungry.
Yeah, right.
But there was no one intimidated at all. It was actually quite nice. They saw that I was a bit lost, so they were like, come, let me show you where to get the food.
So you got some help rather than a beat down.
Yeah, this is the price.
That's beautiful.
This is the actual money. Where's your hotel? Are you going to be okay? I'm thinking, yeah, wow, this is amazing.
So you got like a concierge out there in the street.
100%.
Just handling it.
Yeah.
Now let me ask you this, what's the food winner? Thailand or Vietnam? Tell us about the food either which way, on both sides.
I love Thai food. Don't get me wrong, I love Thai food. I love the fact that it's really well seasoned and it's really spicy. But Vietnamese, I went to a cooking class a couple of days ago, and there's just something about the culture of cooking Vietnamese food.
Yeah.
It's just like the chef and the people, they were just so happy to show you something new. And it just got my taste buds tingling. Like I tried so many new foods that I haven't tried before, and it was just like simple ways of cooking, but so delicious.
Now let me ask you this. Thailand is known for spicy, and I know you like spicy. We talked about curry, and we had an amazing dinner. We'll tell you about that in a minute. But how is the spice level here in Vietnam?
It's to your taste. If you don't like spice, they can make it for quite, savory, easy options. But when I was doing the cooking class, they were asking you, what's your spice level? I said spicy, take it all the way to the top. And then they put some extra peppers and stuff, and it was like to my liking. So
they jacked it up for you.
Yeah.
Them little red peppers they got, I don't know what they're called, but they
the
are.
chili ones.
Yeah, they ain't nothing to play with. It's like a jalapeno on steroids.
So I think they accommodate to your level.
Yeah, and what you get in the market too, a lot of times on the side they'll put like a little bag and you can squeeze
it's up to you if
you
want to.
Yeah, if you want to jack it up, you can, because them red peppers are in there and that soy sauce and them spices. It's freaking
Delicious.
fire.
Delicious.
All right, who's the hospitality winner, Thailand or Vietnam?
Oh, Vietnam. Sorry, Thailand again.
Y'all catching a
love Thailand.
beating. Y'all catching a beating tonight.
I'm coming back to Thailand.
She loves y'all. It's no disrespect.
I love Thailand. Don't get me wrong at all.
Yeah.
But
we're keeping it real here.
But there's just something I can't describe it. You have to come and experience it to understand.
You can talk about it, but they got to feel it.
Yeah, there's something about Vietnam. I don't know if it's the history of the war. I don't know what it is, but there's something about Vietnam that just makes you feel so happy and at peace. And
you're just so safe, so chilling, like you're just glowing. You're just having a great birthday week. Just an experience. This best holiday ever?
Best holiday ever.
But hands down. And you've been to some places now. I'm not talking.
I've been to over 15 countries.
Bali, Thai.
Yeah.
Where else have you been? Where?
I've been to Morocco. I've been to Miami. I've been to New York. I've been to France. I've been to Amsterdam.
Wow. You're naming off some hot
Poland.
spots.
I've been loads of places.
And this is my number one. You found your Zen spot.
Yeah, this is my number one. 100%. 100%.
Yeah, y'all, if y'all didn't catch the live, we were back there up at the Lady Buddha the other morning. We were in the temple. She went in to meditate, get her head right, vibe out, and she was just walking around in the gardens, those bonsai gardens, just
taking it in, yeah.
Just like, what is going on over here? What is going on over here? It was special.
So special.
Like literally, your head's just spinning. You're gonna have to process this for a month after you go back. Like, you're gonna have to sit there and just like, that shit really happened?
Yeah, honestly. Honestly, it's been one of the best experiences of my life, I have to say, being here at Vietnam.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, definitely.
That is, it's, guys, like this is what I'm trying to tell you about Vietnam. When you have a time to be at peace and feel free, just from us rapping this week, the business ideas and the concepts and things that are flowing now, and you're just like boom, 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 boom.
And creative. This country allows you to, because it's not fast paced. It's not about money, because you don't need much money to be happy here.
Yeah,
So
right on.
if you take that away, the fact that I don't have to focus on getting money and paying these bills, imagine what you can do with yourself. Imagine all the ideas you have.
Start businesses, get things going on.
It can happen. Yeah. It can happen.
Yeah, and guys, for me, it wasn't until I could breathe, and then now, you know, I started social media, I wrote a book, I've done all kinds of stuff, and things are just blowing up. So it's just, you don't know what you can do until you've given the chance just to be at peace a little bit. You know, it's a different thing. All right, Go. I thank you so much for joining up. I'm so glad that you came through. Like, it was just right on time. Raj was going away on his sabbatical. You showed right up. The universe opened up to us. Thank you so much,
100%.
sweetheart.
Thank you for having me.
I can't wait to see you back again. I can't wait to have you come stay here.
I'm already thinking about the
you're
next
going home
flight.
to book a trip, ain't you? Like, hey, all right, let me get my booking.com
Let
up.
me get my diary out. Let's get ready.
You're coming back for my anniversary, right?
100%.
Okay.
I have to.
All right. Around March 15th, it's going to get wild. 1 year anniversary.
Can't
I'm gonna